play this game first and after that, change. After a while.
Ay, puta, umaandar na gago.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
After the game, you...
Look at that nose. Gago, naka-live.
Happy birthday, Ate Kim. Hello.
Zoom in.
Wala kasing warning device eh.
Say happy birthday
Wala man
to
lang
me.
warning device.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you, babe. I love you so much.
I love you too!
Ah, yay!
Walang warning device. Di ba tayo
Zion, hi. Say happy birthday to tita. Say happy birthday to tita. Say happy birthday.
Oh.
Say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday naman eh.
Okay, ulit yun.
Say happy
Zion,
birthday!
say happy birthday. Say
Happy birthday to tita. Oh, nagkamot ko. Jonah na Jonan. Say happy birthday to tita. I love you.
Ayun, competition nga naman sila kasi take turns pag namatay, papalitan eh. So, kailangan...
Nag-take turns?
Oo, kaya ayaw
Take
na mag-take first.
Take first.
Oo.
Say something to me.
To my Ate Shane, you are and will always be.
Say something. I love you. Say something, Mr. Changlao. That is my cousin.
I love this game.
This is my Pogi Tito Abe.
Alzheimer the thing.
My Tita Taz. Tita, I love you, Tito, so
Happy birthday,
much.
Shane. Love you.
I love you, Tito. Thank you so much. This is the best chef in the world, Chops and Brew in the house. I love you.
Kami na Jesus lupa yung
Best coffee in the world of Chops and Brew, my cousin Ella. I love you so much.
natin lupa eh.
You say happy birthday and you say you love me. You say happy birthday and you say you love me. Oh, sorry.
Happy birthday.
Alabo. Ang babaeng ang dugo ay nasa katawan ko. Happy birthday to me. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ada, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom Shane.
Mami. Alabo. Say happy birthday. Sa pilitan.
Kasi dito eh. Happy birthday, Ate Shane.
Ay, yay.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Aha. Kita. Evidence. Have we won? Kinuha ni Mimi.
Happy birthday.
Yay, thank you. Nasa phone ka nga. Busy yan. Baby, happy birthday. Happy birthday. At saka yung chicken yun ah. Di. La. Say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Ito tayo. Pogi con Tito.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Thank you. I love you so much, Tito. Say happy birthday to me. Ang poging baby. Mabait, nagmamano yan. Eto na. Walang bibi, sayang. Say happy birthday. Thank you. Yes! Eto, pogi
Happy
ka.
birthday, anak.
I love you, father.
38 ka na, no?
28.
Ito kontrabida. Happy birthday.
Yay! Ay! Hindi ka pa. Sorry. Happy birthday. Nagugulo ang laro.
Teka. Ako straight.
Hala, nagkabali-baliktad na tayo. Ang side na maingay. Did you say happy birthday to me yet?
I'm sorry po. Happy birthday po.
Thank you, my baby Mo, who's super tall now. Eto, hindi ka pa nag-greet.
Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Asan yung babae mo? Ay, sorry. Naka-live nga pala tayo.
Landing namin airport, di ba? Pa, nandiyon, naging ba sa malete.
Live ba yan? Pinging suka.
Tingnan mo to. Nangihingi ng stars automatically. Twice pa nangihingi ng stars. Ano ba naman tong manang-mana sa akin? Ano kailangan mo? Suka?
Pahit naman kasi Doc Martens. Bakit? Doktor ka, tapos nakabuti. Ako na sa'yo.
Diyan ako sa sausan.
Kuha ko lalagyan.
Pilit. Kaya sabi ko na sa tao, ano?
Ang takip?
Sabi ko sa kanila, magpapas ko na sa inyo. Nag-iisip ko lang. Kaya pala sakit sa paa. Kasi yun mo na maganda sa kalusugan. Kaya sabi ko, ito Puma. Oh, sapatos Puma. Ang Puma mabilis. Ano ka talaga? Ano ka? Pwede na lang mo. Kahit naman sa, kahit naman, Jordan. Oh. Hindi naman nagpa-basketball. Dami sa mga paisip ako. Ganun eh.
Doktora Martin.
Sige, size ka, Nick.
Hingin niya. Say love you, Ate Shane.
I love you. Wala, hindi ka pa nag-happy birthday sa akin.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane.
Oh. Si Boy ano to eh, si Boy... What happened? Okay, good. Good, there you go. Oh, don't be like that. You should be respectful to the elders, or say sorry. Don't be like that, okay? Ito, 6 years old. What? 6 years old birthday na? Sab, ano ba tayo hindi magsanta?
Say happy birthday. It's the shakies?
Oo, ano ba ito?
Oh, I have to go. I'll go with it.